All right, guys. So I've got this plate and I'm wanting to turn it into an arrowhead. And as cool as that sounds, this is even cooler. Check that out. So if all this works out, I'm going to have a radioactive arrowhead, which I think is really cool. So let's get to knapping this thing down. I'm going to try to save as much of this as I can, so I'm hoping to not just destroy it. It's going to be hard to get it to shape. Because as you can see, it's got that curve to it. It's a plate, it's a saucer, it's not flat. All right. Let's see what some antler will do to it. Ooh. At least it didn't take the whole center out, and I was able to keep a pretty decent piece right there. That is so neat. It's gonna be really hard not to bust this thing all up. I'm gonna try. That might be the ticket right there. Lay the concave down like that. Yeah. Oh, man. Really didn't want that. Almost got it to a shape that I can start working it down. I've only got one piece of this glass to play with, so I'm kind of weary about where I'm hitting it at. I know it looks like I might be just smacking the crap out of it, but I'm not. Ooh, I could probably flake that into a little arrowhead. We'll set that to the side. The glass is touchy. All right, so it looks like that's our piece right there. So a glass, it's not so much really hitting it with a hammer or hammer stone or hammer antler, whatever you want to call it. It's more pressure flaking than anything, and just bringing that piece into shape with pressure flaking. This is the piece of antler that I use to pressure flake with. It's a pretty decent one. I don't know if you could tell, but it's starting to come around. It's got a nice little edge right there. So I'm gonna bring that all the way around the piece. So I've got a piece right here that sticks out. See how it curves out? And I have to get rid of that. That's gonna cause me problems. It's almost gone. Let's hope I can do it without snapping it. Well, if you haven't already and you're liking the video, please consider subscribing so that YouTube will think this is a decent video and maybe show it to a couple other people. It would really help the channel out, and I would really appreciate it. Maybe next time I get my hands on a piece of this, I could do a little giveaway. The arrowhead that I make with it. This one's already been claimed though. You can see, starting to come together to make an arrowhead, huh? So there's the iconic arrowhead shape. what I'm going to do is, because it's pretty dull right now where I've been abrading it, I'm going to go around and sharpen these two edges right here. I'm not going to worry so much about this and this part, because once it's hafted and tied off, that's really the only edges that matter. So to sharpen this, I'm just going to go around and kind of clip the edges to bring the edge more to center. That feels a lot better on that side. That'll cut you now. Let's get this one done. Oh yeah, now that's a lot better. Check that out. That's so cool. Once that's hafted onto a shaft, man, this could probably be a little bit thinner, but it being glass, I don't want to risk snapping it. Check that out. Alright guys, if you liked the video, hit the like button. I hope you liked the video. I had a lot of fun doing this. I've actually been holding this piece of glass for a while, and my wife's been asking me to make her an arrowhead out of it, so here it is. And this could actually be used as an arrowhead, which is awesome. The hafting point right here is a little bit thick, but I mean, it is what it is. It's a piece of glass. All right, guys, really bad at ending videos, so